So we have the SLT 750 Polaris. Yeah. Normally don't do these, but a girl I work with asked me if I'd take a look at it. She brought it down here over the summer, and we down here is the engine drive shaft. Not good. That thing. You know, it's always bad when you got bits of material coming out the cylinder exhaust. That's number two. It's smoked. Oh boy. Yep. Well, I thought it was just an engine problem. And it is locked up indeed. Oh, we got it somewhat loose, but you ain't gonna go too far when you only rotate a quarter of a turn. And the other thing, the jet pump on these, you have to remove the jet pump to pull the engine out. It ain't like a Yamaha with a Lovejoy coupler on it. It's splined. It goes into the back of that drive where you see me with the pipe wrench. But yeah. Locked up tight. And there's a reason he quit making these fucking things. Let's see. Stator bearing. Number 21. Unobtainium. Let's see what else we got. Number. Let's look here. 16. Bearing. Unobtainium. Huh. So. We got a boner mobile. She's not gonna be happy. Yeah, she'd and that's a shame too, because the ski's in really nice condition. I mean, the hull of it's not all cracked up. It's not beat to hell. Ain't much you can do when the motor's locked up. She paid up front for a reman motor. I've yet to order it because I hadn't got this one out yet, and I wanted to make sure that the drive pump was going to be okay. It is not. And it seems we can't get any parts for it. Yahoo. And Polaris makes some good stuff, but I think they kind of dropped the ball on their watercraft. That this isn't a lot of these you see running around. The big thing that you see is that they're blowed up. We're gonna go Evil Bay and see if we can't get some pump bearings. Maybe. I really do not want to fucking do a pump job on this. There we go. 1997, 1999, 02, 98. Oh, good Lord. Holy, I hope they're all the same. I don't know. I didn't get into these too much. Oh boy. There's 94 and 95 SLT. Watercraft. Jet pump bearing kit. There we go. All right, well, time to contact ye customer and find out if she wants to blow more money on this thing, because I got to tear the damn jet pump apart. So, we'll keep you posted. This one, I took it in last fall, and it's been in here all winter. I really wasn't wanting to get into it that much because these things are notoriously a pain in the ass to tear apart. Yeah, you got to pull the drive pump to pull the motor. The motor is locked up. The pump is locked up. So the bad thing is the NADA on this watercraft is about $300 to $400. Ouch. Stay tuned, folks.